What information and support is available for loved ones and dialysis partners?
We try to encourage loved ones and partners to come into the training area, whether it be at the start of training or at the end of training before they go home. We encourage family members to come and see the setup within the hospital before they see their loved one at home on dialysis. It can be a big shock if the first time they've seen them on dialysis is at home. So we actively encourage children to come into self-care to see their family member on dialysis, their partners to come in, to come and sit with them when they're training if they'd like to. Very much a holistic approach to learning to go home.
We've got the Kidney Wales Foundation, we've got the Paul Potton Fund, Kidney Care UK, the National Kidney Federation, all of those really good places to look for some information on home haemodialysis. Also, the Welsh Clinical Renal Network has a new website in which there's going to be a whole host of new animations teaching people about home haemodialysis, and I'd urge people to go and look at them.